This is my Triumph 2008 Tiger 1050. Just got a new windshield for Christmas. These are the specs. So this is the original shield. And the new one is gonna be a little bit taller. We'll see how it goes. This is the original windshield that I'm taking off. It has 6 screws in total. So I'm gonna start with the top one, and I believe there's like a rubber washer in the back here. So I'm just holding it by hand because it's not too hard to disconnect. I just don't want to lose the washer. Oh, it's like stuck there. Looks like that nut stays there. Okay, cool. Let's keep going. So I already got almost all the screws out. I have one left, but for some reason this one, I bought this as a used bike, so I guess they must have lost this screw and they used a hex, so I just got to use a hex screw for the last one. All these other screws are like plastic as well. All right. Let's see. That's it. That's how easy it was. Looks very weird without a windshield. All right, let's open this up. I guess some instructions on how to assemble it, but let's see if I can do it without it. Oh, this one isn't as tinted. It's like a smoked. Just so you get a sense of the clarity. All right, I'm gonna start with just screwing it in by hand first. So far it's matching up. That's a good sign. So I'm just gonna do this by hand just to get a couple of them in there. Tightening the last screw now. And this was a pretty straightforward upgrade. So here's a comparison so you can see the height difference. Yeah, we'll see. We'll follow up with an actual riding review. Maybe not anytime soon because it's still December. It's actually still Christmas today. But pretty soon we'll test this out and I'll let you know how it goes.